Hello friends, welcome back to the Mothership. Today we are smoking up these absolutely beautiful looking honey mustard chicken thighs. Let's get started. Alright, what we've got here are some chicken thighs. If you've watched any of my poultry, you know what I'm going to say. These went into a wet bath overnight. Tablespoon of kosher salt to a cup of water. Completely cover them, throw them into your fridge, let all that salt get absorbed. At one point today, probably around 2 o'clock, I took them out. And I rinsed them off, put them onto a wire rack, and started to let that delicious skin dry out a bit. This is the step for good crispy skin chicken, and it makes all of your chicken nice and juicy. Now what I'm doing now is just getting a little bit of olive oil on here, coating it down. Helps with the rub adhesion, and it also helps with crisping up that skin even further. That's good to me. Now for our rub today, we are going with my UFO Crop Circle Honey Barbecue Rub. Recipe down below. It's got a nice amount of sweetness. It's good stuff. Good flavors in here. It's got some garlic. The honey granules are the main game. Some paprika. But it's a nice starting point for a rub. Don't need to add any salt because obviously we wet brine if you follow that step, which I highly recommend. We're just going to get everything coated down. We're obviously going to be putting on a glaze at the end, which is where a lot of our flavor is coming from. But this gives us a good starting point. Just get everything coated down. Yeah, perfect. Try not to get it all over the counter like I just did. Oops. All right. Now that that's done, this is going back into my fridge, and it's going to sit, and it's going to continue to dry out that skin because we want that skin nice and dry, which is how we get crispy skin. And we'll come back when it's time to get the smoker up and running. Smoker's up to temp. I'm running these at 275. That should get them to cook at some point today, because obviously chicken thighs take a while, and it's going to allow us to get some crispy skin. 275, I have them on the top rack, skin side up, and we are just going to run them just like this till about 160. And at that point, we're going to start to baste. But for now, let it do its thing, ignore them, monitor them with a probe or whatever, and just let them do their thing until we get to that magical point. Now for our honey mustard glaze, guys, we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. We're going to add to that a 1/4 cup of honey. To up the viscosity a bit, I'm going to put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then about a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon or 2 of paprika. Get that nice and mixed together. If we need more liquid, because it really depends on your mustard, how liquidy is your mustard. This looks okay. If it's a little bit too thick, a little bit more apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to add a little touch here. Boop. There we go. We just want it to be able to easily spread across the exterior of our chicken thighs. Now lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Give the taste test and make sure all the flavors are where we want them. Perfect. And I'm going to put this aside, and we'll come back when our chicken is about 160, 165, somewhere in there, and then we'll start to actually baste it on. Internal of 160. Let's start the basting. It's pretty simple, guys. We're just going to get a little bit on here at a time. We're going to do a couple of these. We're just going to do the exterior of the skin, which is definitely crisped up a bit. That's where we want it. Just trying to get extra flavor on these guys. Make sure we get that one in the back without burning myself. Perfect. All right, I'm going to wait about 5 minutes. Keep going. I'm doing this to about 175. The chicken thighs, they can take the extra heat. Now, doing chicken thighs on the grill or the smoker is one of the easiest weekday cooks, guys. Prepping, honestly, just throw them into a bag or into a bowl overnight with a wet bath. That gets all your salt infused. Then the next day, put whatever rub you want on there, and then just basically toss them on. They're ready to go. This particular case, we put a bunch of sweet flavored rub on there. Recipe down below. And then we marinated it at the very end, basted it at the very end with some honey mustard sauce. And on the other side, it's going to be absolutely delicious. I am starving. Let's cut it open and see what we're working with here. Remember, with chicken thighs, it's so forgiving, guys. With chicken breasts, you're looking for about 160, even lower, and then hoping it comes up to the right temp. Or if you're cooking low and slow, you can cook it to a low temperature to keep that juiciness. But with thighs, you can go much further. You can go 170 all the way up to 180 and be just fine. This is what we are working with, this chicken thigh. That is about as juicy and delicious looking as you can get. The skin is Well, it was crispy when we started to put the baste on. That is going to soften it a bit. But since it was crispy beforehand, it's still going to be perfectly fine. It's not going to be wicked gummy, and disgusting. It smells really, really good. It looks really, really good. I think it's time to give it the old-fashioned chomp and see how we did. Fantastic. Got a little bit of sauce on me. Let's clean that up. This is one of the perfect weeknight cooks, like I said. It's super easy to do. It's super flavorful. And you have all the ingredients probably just lying in your cupboard right now or your fridge. The mustard adds a really nice tangy flavor to it. A little bit of apple cider vinegar also increases that tang. And then you've got all that honey, that sweetness, garlic, everything just comes together. And can't beat this dead horse enough. It is so easy to do. This is a great weeknight cook, guys. This is a quick one. Love to hear what your guys' thoughts are down below. Do you guys do chicken thighs on your smoker? Do you do honey mustard chicken thighs? If you do this recipe, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any recommendations, love to hear them. But most importantly, get out there and cook something absolutely fantastic. And I will catch you on the next UFO barbecue. Bye-bye.